The Redmi Note 17 series continues to expand following the recent launch of the Redmi Note 17 5G in India. The company is also expected to introduce the Redmi Note 17 Pro globally after its China debut. The Redmi Note 17 Pro Max is also in development for both China and international markets. The global variant has now surfaced on Geekbench, revealing some of its core hardware. The Redmi Note 17 Pro Max is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset. The device achieved 924 points in the single-core test and 2,923 points in the multi-core test. The Redmi Note 17 Pro Max could feature a 6.83-inch AMOLED 1.5K display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 3,500 nits peak brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. An in-display fingerprint scanner. The Note 17 Pro Max is also expected to feature an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel main camera along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back, a 32-megapixel front camera, and a bigger 10,000 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.